Imagine waking up on a Monday morning. No alarm clock, no traffic, no boss texting you at 8 a.m., just your laptop, Wi-Fi, and a few AI tools quietly making you $1,000 a week, even while you sleep. Sounds crazy, right? But here's the wild truth. It's already happening. Right now, thousands of people with zero tech background, no fancy degrees, no business experience, are using AI to build small, automated side hustles that bring them real money from home. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how they're doing it. These are 5 powerful AI side hustles that are helping normal people earn $1,000 per week, all without showing their face, coding, or spending big money. Stick with me till the end, because I'll show you how you can start one of these this week. Side hustle number 1, AI Content Repurposing Agency. Here's a question. Why are the biggest YouTubers, coaches, and podcasters still leaving money on the table? Because they hate editing. They film 1-hour podcasts or long videos, but never turn them into viral TikToks, shorts, or reels. That's where you step in. You don't need to be a video editor. AI does it for you. Tools like OpusClip, Vid.io, or Descript can automatically find the best moments, add captions, music, and even auto-zoom, literally in minutes. Here's the play. 1. Go on Twitter, LinkedIn, or Upwork and look for creators posting long videos. 2. Message them. Hey, I'll turn your long videos into short viral clips using AI, free sample included. 3. Take one of their videos, run it through OpusClip, and send back 3 to 4 polished shorts. That's your proof of work. Once they're impressed, boom, you've got your first client. Charge $200–$400 a week for 10–15 clips. With just 3 clients, you're already making $200 a week. And here's the best part. AI handles 80% of the work. You just need taste and consistency. Side hustle number 2, AI Thumbnail and Design Studio. Now let's talk about one of the most underrated moneymakers, AI design services. Everyone talks about video editing, but think about it. Every single post, every YouTube video, every ad needs a thumbnail or design. And with tools like Canva Magic Studio, or Ideogram, you can make scroll-stopping designs in minutes, even if you've never touched Photoshop. Here's the move. 1. Go to Fiverr or Upwork and search YouTube thumbnail. You'll see creators charging $15, $50, even $100 per thumbnail. 2. Learn simple color and layout tricks. Canva literally teaches it for free. 3. Use AI to generate unique backgrounds, characters, and text effects. Deliver 3 to 5 designs a day, and you're looking at $300–$500 per week. But here's where it gets powerful. Offer a subscription, $250 a month for unlimited thumbnails and posts. Land just 3 clients, and that's $750 a month recurring. In 2025, it's not about who's the best designer, it's about who's fastest with AI. Side hustle number 3, AI writing and blogging services. Let's be real. Every business online needs content. Blogs, website copy, newsletters, product descriptions. But most business owners hate writing. That's your opportunity. With ChatGPT, Gemini, or Jasper, you can write high-quality content faster than 99% of writers. Here's the setup. 1. Go on Fiverr, Upwork, or even Facebook groups. 2. Search for copywriting or blog writing. 3. You'll see gigs charging $50–$150 per article. Use ChatGPT to generate the draft. Spend 10 minutes editing it for tone, emotion, and flow. Pro tip: use Perplexity AI or Google Bard to fact-check and add data. That's what separates you from the AI spam crowd. Let's say one client pays $60 per blog, 3 blogs per week. That's $180 a week. Get 5 clients and you're making nearly $1,000 per week, all from home. Remember, AI won't replace writers. It'll replace writers who don't know how to use AI. Side hustle number 4, AI Automation Assistant. This one's for my problem solvers. Businesses, coaches, freelancers, they're drowning in repetitive tasks. Emails, scheduling, invoices, client reports. You can automate all of that using Zapier, Make.com, or ChatGPT automations. No coding needed. Imagine this. A new client fills out a form. They instantly get a welcome email. A new task is created in Notion and Slack automatically. Reports are generated with AI summaries every Friday. That's real value. Charge $300–$500 per setup, or $150 monthly maintenance fee. Do 2 to 3 setups a week, and you're comfortably crossing $1,000. This is one of the most in-demand AI skills right now, because every business wants to save time. But nobody knows how easy automation really is. Side hustle number 5, AI faceless YouTube channels. Okay, now for the most exciting one. The AI faceless YouTube model is blowing up in 2025. People are running entire channels without showing their face, without recording, and without a mic. Here's how. 1. Use ChatGPT or Claude to write scripts on trending topics: motivation, money, tech, stories. 2. Use ElevenLabs for natural AI voiceovers. 3. Grab stock clips from Pexels, or use Runway ML to generate visuals. 4. Edit everything in CapCut or Descript, then upload. Monetize with YouTube ads, affiliate links, or digital products. And here's the twist. Once you master this, you can offer it as a service. Clients pay $300–500 per video for faceless content creation. Just 2 videos per week, and that's another $1,000+ income stream. It's the perfect mix of creativity and automation. AI builds the system, you collect the rewards. Now listen, AI isn't replacing people. It's replacing people who don't use it. The world is moving fast. Those who learn to leverage AI now will lead the next wave of entrepreneurs. So let's quickly recap. 1. AI Content Repurposing Agency. 2. AI Design Studio. 3. AI Writing Agency. 4. AI Automation Setup. 5. AI Faceless YouTube Channels. Every single one of these can make you over $1,000 per week if you just start. And here's the truth. You don't need to be first. You just need to start now. Because 1 year from today, you'll wish you started today. So, which AI side hustle are you starting first? Comment it below. And if you want me to drop a full step-by-step guide for any of these, type AI guide in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. Because here at WorkShift AI, we don't just work hard, we work smart.